Building confidence as a writer doesn't happen overnight. It's something that develops through action, patience, and a shift in how you see your own work. This video on how to build writing confidence is designed to help you break free from self-doubt and start trusting your voice. Many writers struggle not because they lack skill, but because they constantly question themselves. They compare their early drafts to polished work from experienced creators, which creates pressure and hesitation. Over time, this doubt can stop them from writing altogether. This video changes that perspective by showing that confidence is not something you wait for. It's something you build through consistent effort and small wins. The journey begins by understanding where the lack of confidence comes from. Fear of judgment, perfectionism, and overthinking are some of the biggest barriers. When every sentence feels like it has to be perfect, writing becomes stressful instead of creative. The video explains how to shift your mindset from trying to impress others to simply expressing your thoughts honestly. When you focus on clarity instead of perfection, writing becomes easier and more natural. You'll learn that even the best writers start with rough drafts. And confidence grows when you allow yourself to write imperfectly and improve later. Another key part of building confidence is creating a simple and consistent writing routine. Instead of waiting for motivation, the video encourages you to show up regularly, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. These small, repeated actions build momentum and make writing feel less intimidating over time. You'll discover techniques like setting achievable goals, writing without editing in the first draft, and celebrating small progress instead of focusing only on big results. This approach helps you stay motivated while gradually strengthening your skills. In the middle of this journey, you'll also see how Domino Effect Writing System can support your writing process by giving you a structured and organized space to develop your ideas. It helps reduce the chaos that often leads to self-doubt, allowing you to focus on your writing without distractions. By keeping your thoughts clear and your workflow simple, it becomes easier to stay consistent and build confidence naturally. The video also highlights the importance of embracing mistakes as part of growth. Many writers lose confidence because they see mistakes as failure, but in reality, mistakes are how you learn and improve. Instead of avoiding them, you'll learn how to use feedback and revisions as tools to refine your work. This mindset shift turns writing into a process of progress rather than pressure, helping you move forward without fear. Another powerful way to build confidence is by finding your unique voice. The video explains that you don't need to sound like anyone else to be a good writer. Your perspective, your experiences, and your way of expressing ideas are what make your writing valuable. When you stop trying to imitate others and start focusing on your own voice, your confidence grows naturally. You begin to trust your instincts and feel more comfortable sharing your ideas. By the end of this video, you'll realize that writing confidence is not about being perfect. It's about being consistent and willing to grow. Every word you write, every idea you explore, and every draft you complete brings you one step closer to becoming a more confident writer. With the right mindset, simple strategies, and the support of tools like Domino Effect Writing System, you can overcome self-doubt and start writing with clarity and belief in yourself. Confidence isn't something you wait for. It's something you create, one sentence at a time.